The market showed mixed performance on Thursday, with major indices reflecting slight fluctuations. The Nifty 50 closed at 23,591.95, up from its previous close of 23,486.85, marking a modest gain. The Nifty Bank also ended higher at 51,575.85 compared to 51,209.00 previously. Similarly, the Sensex closed at 77,606.43, up from 77,288.50, indicating a positive movement across large-cap stocks. However, mid-cap and sector-specific indices, like the Nifty Mid-Cap Select and FINIFTY, also witnessed gains, albeit less pronounced than their large-cap counterparts. Institutional activity. On the institutional front, domestic institutional investors, were net sellers, with a net sell value of 696.37 crore rupees. In contrast, foreign institutional investors, FPI, remained net buyers, with a net buy value of 2,240.55 crore rupees, signaling continued foreign interest in Indian equities. Top gainers. Among the top gainers on the Sensex, Bajaj Finserv led the pack with a 3.23% increase, closing at 2,005 rupees and 40 paise. IndusInd Bank followed with a 2.68% rise, while NTPC and Larsen also saw significant gains, with Ultratech Cement adding 1.66% to its value. On the Nifty 50, Hero MotoCorp topped the list with a 3.46% rise, and Bajaj Finserv remained strong on both indices, seeing an increase of 3.21%. Other notable gainers included Adani Enterprises and IndusInd Bank, showing a consistent upward trend in select stocks. Top losers. On the losing side, Tata Motors took a hit, falling by 5.56% on the Sensex and 5.61% on the Nifty 50, marking the steepest drop of the day. Sun Pharma also faced a decline of 1.51%, while Bharti Airtel and Kotak Mahindra experienced minor losses. On the Nifty 50, Tata Motors again dominated the losers list, along with Eicher Motors and Bharti Airtel, reflecting the pressure on select auto and telecom stocks.